So I got my fat cross fixed so I can actually have my phone back in the stand, So I got this. So it's for my new TV. I have a TV order, but it's my new Roku remote. It's a Remote Pro. It's Roku branded. So I have T-Cell Roku TV, but it's like you can. They're all Roku's the good. Let's see. There's tape on there, and there is. Hold it. That's why I got scissors. Got it. So let's see. So you get your USB. So you get your USB to micro, which is very stupid that Roku still uses micro USB in 2023. Type C. Where the heck's Type C? I don't even know. So that's what you get. That's your charging cord. It has like nice rubbery feel in the holder. These are your manuals. And a quick stock guide. Product information. Let's see how many volts it is. So it's 600 milliamp. Battery rating is 1,000 milliamp. 3V nominal. 50 crap. Nobody reads. Okay, so it's it's simple, and this does not use batteries. So the remote. All right, let's do this closer. Ready? Satisfying. Yes, satisfying. That's super satisfying. Is there any more of those peels? Alright. The model, if you want to see the model, hold on. RCMC1. What year was this made? Hold on. And it was made in 2020. Hold on. Focus camera. Focus. 2021. Yeah, this is it. This is what you can do with your breath. This is the best remote they consider. They say it's the best remote. I don't believe in that, but focus. Hold on. Focus. So you get that. So you can use it in here. What? So yeah, that's it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and hope you have a nice card squad day. Peace.